Hi everyone, welcome to weekly online lectures. I'm your online tutor AG. In this channel, you can watch all accounting and management accounting lectures. I have uploaded various problems relating to accounting and management accounting. So if you like the videos and if you consider that these lectures are going to be useful to you, so what you can do is you can subscribe to my channel to receive weekly updates on lectures. And not only that, if you have any difficult questions, please comment below. I will answer to all your questions. So today I am going to discuss about high-low method. What is high-low method? So high-low method basically used to identify the fixed and variable cost. If you are given a total cost, how to identify the fixed and variable cost. So in this regard, I have given you an example. So let's work out and find out how to split this fixed and variable cost. Now, first and foremost, what you have to do is you need to get the difference between the highest total cost and the lowest total cost. You need to get the difference between the highest total cost and the lowest total cost. So let's take at the highest output level, what is the total cost? Which is 90,000 output, the cost is 170,000. And the lowest output level is 65,000 and the total cost is 145,000. So thereby when you take the difference between the output and the cost, it will be 25,000. So what is the variable cost per unit? So just simply you divide the total cost difference of 25,000 by 25,000 units. So thereby you will be getting the variable cost per unit. Then in order to calculate the fixed cost, what you should do is at any given output level, you take the total cost. Now here I will take the output level of 90,000 at which the total cost is 170,000. From that you have to deduct the variable cost, which is 90,000 at the rate of $1, so which is 90,000. So the difference between the total cost and the variable cost will be the fixed cost. Now we have identified the variable cost per unit and the fixed cost per unit. Now in this given question, you are asked to calculate the total cost at 85,000 output level. So therefore, what is the variable cost of 85,000 unit? Which is very straightforward. So 85,000 multiplied by $1, which is 85,000, and simply add the fixed cost of 80,000. So thereby you will be getting the total cost at 85,000 units, 165,000.